evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. And this time you're tuning into my 3,122nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And remember, the idea behind 3,122 videos is to teach my Omniacs the art of technical analysis. And I'm pretty good at that, and I'd like to teach some techniques to you. So make sure you watch these nightly videos, because in each and every one of them, there's a gem for you to learn. I promise you, these are great videos. This video that's coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday, August 18th, 2026, is as risky as every other video I've ever put out. Why? Because no matter what analysis tells us, and no matter what we do in the markets, you always have to have a stop in case it doesn't work, right? So put your stops in, put them in first, and never, ever trade without them. In last night's video, I told you that the Omni went neutral for indices, and that the Omni liked soybeans and it liked foreign currencies. Did you see what happened today? Soybeans went through the roof, currencies went up, and the signal that was neutral has now gone bearish. The Omni is red for trading on Tuesday, August 18th. Let me show you what's on the board. A picture can speak 1,000 words. Does anyone remember this chart from 10 days ago? It absolutely called the top of this move so far. I have an updated chart to show you in this video. Number 2 on the board, which pertains to number 1. The T-bonds dropping, which makes interest rates go up, and crude oil rising, which makes everything else that we buy go up, is not going to help stocks. I promise you that red arrow is going to be red while these two are moving in those two directions. T-bond futures down, not a good thing. Crude oil futures up, not a good thing if you own a stock company. Now, most of us don't own the company. We own shares in that company. And guess what? You get affected by it too. Right? If the owner of the stock, if his company's going down, so are his stockholders, I assure you. Now, short-term downside is expected. Be nimble, be nimble, be nimble with your short trading. This is a big, booming bull market having a little pullback. Be nimble if you're short. What else is going on there? When SpaceX opened, I told all my Omniacs I have nothing to give you until SpaceX creates some kind of a chart. Once it did create a chart, I gave out a target of 107 in SpaceX, and it dropped from 160 to 107. What's next? Traders, what about SpaceX? You'll find out in the chart segment. I think you're going to like what you see. SpaceX holders, SpaceX traders, make sure you watch the chart segment. And then the Omni Phoenix token is doing great. Traders, new traders from around the world are getting in. The summer's almost coming to an end when all the traders I know come back to their desks, and I'm going to get them all in the Omni coin. So make sure that you are in the Omni Phoenix token. Get yourselves in. I'll show you a chart after the chart segment, and you'll understand why. Listen, I am all over this. I go all over the world. I reach people everywhere, explaining to them what we do in the Omni compound, what we do, the whole Omni nation, if you will, my Omniacs around the world. And I explain to them all the stuff we've done with fiat for all the years, and now we've taken on crypto, and that's going really well too. So make sure that you own Omni Phoenix. Right below this video, you'll see all the information that you would need to buy it on Coinbase. You name it, you can buy it anywhere. Pump.fun. You can get it at Phantom Wallet. It's all over the place. Make sure you join the community of Omniacs all over this planet that own the Omni Phoenix token. Go after it, kids. It will not hurt you. Let's just see exactly who's interfering with the video right now. Who would that be? Oh, it's my daughter, Natalie. That I'm going to answer live. Hi, Nat. I'm live on video, and now so are you. How can I help you, sweetie?
Well, I was just going to say, I'm not sure if you want to go for bingo, because it's like, it runs, like, there's one session at 5, one session at 7, and I'm probably not going to be there too long.
I'll call you guys as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
Love you, babe. Bye. That was Natalie inviting me to go out and meet the kids and the girls and everybody else. They're all out together for someone's birthday. Carrie, happy birthday, Carrie. And they're all going to a casino to play bingo because they can. They're over 21, and they're inviting me to go play bingo. I'm still not old enough to go play bingo. I don't know what these cats are doing there. All right, so traders, I'm going to show you some great charts to depict everything going on in this video. and then we'll see what happens next. I promise you the charts are working really well. The Omni is just killing it. If you are not receiving my Omni trading recommendations, if you're trading by yourself and not getting this right, what's wrong with you? You have to join. I usually have it up here, but I erased it. Why? So I can have my year-end target. Speaking of which, the Omni helped us reach the 7,800 first year-end target. ES already made it there. You've got 80.55 that's been sitting on this board since the beginning of the year. That is the next target. How did we get there? Omni day trades its way up the entire time. I send out recommendations and trades all day long. Where the stop goes first, where you're going to get long or short, where we're going to take profits, and I work the trade 24 hours a day until all of us are out. That is the Platinum membership at Live with Oscar. Make sure you join it. Speaking of at Live with Oscar, you know I've got that trading room, my chat room. It's been around for 17 years. Lots of people have been there. I've constructed a brand new chat room with way more features. It's way cooler. And I'm going to invite some of you over the next couple of days to test it out with me. And then we'll roll it out for the crowd. I want some beta testers to come test. Make sure you come to livewithoscar.com, the usual site. It'll never change. Go to the usual chat room. Hang out there and I'll give you a link and you can help me test the new chat room. OMNIPHOENIX around the world. Help me test it out. We'll have some fun together. Lastly is Omni Camp is happening September 10th through the 14th. We got 3.5 weeks to go. Time is short. Time is ticking. If you want to come out to Las Vegas and learn the Omni, that's Oscar's market navigational indicator. If you want to come out and learn that in its entirety, exactly what I do when I put out trades around the world, you've got to go to Omni Bootcamp right now and fill out your OmniCamp applications. If you're really in a hurry, give me a buzz, 702-629-4755, and I'll set you up. But it takes time for me to prepare for you. So if you want to come to camp, you can't tell me 2 days before camp. You got to let me know now. Go to omnibootcamp.com right now. And, of course, you're all getting phone calls from Mikey. We love it. Everyone's been responding so well. If you get a phone call from the 702 area code, don't deny it because you don't know the number. It's going to be Mikey. Make sure you answer the phone. He's a great kid. He's not trying to sell you anything. He's just kind of helping you out and making sure that you know how to get to the new chat room and all that great stuff. Answer the phone if you see a 702 area code. All right, traders, so we're going to go look at some great charts. I want to show you what's going on. If you're thinking about OmniCamp, make sure you fill out the OmniCamp application at Omni Bootcamp, and then do me a favor. Watch this quick clip and see what some OmniX had to say.
I had a blast at OmniCamp.
Nothing's ever worked for me, and I heard about Oscar, and I did some research on him, and I decided to take this class, and I just feel blessed that I've taken it.
Whoever said camp is just for kids is wrong. You can still have a great time at OmniCamp as an adult. Highly recommend. 5 stars out of 5 stars.
Do what he says, you will be successful. I'm 100% sure about that, mostly because he proved it to me this week.
All right, traders, so you've seen the clip. I want you to say the same thing. I want to help you too. Let's get this right. The summer's coming to an end. Markets are going to go crazy, and you can be prepared. OmniBootcamp.com. Now we're going to do this. Let's go look at some ass-kicking charts, because that's what I'm all about. Are you with me? We're going to do stops or emotions are out, and then we're going to look at some great charts. Are you with me, kids? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. That is the truth. Make sure you live that now. Let's go. Look at some charts. Traders, the YM daily bar chart. This is the Dow, right? The mini Dow. Do you remember this chart from 10 trading days ago? I put this right before your eyes and said, for some reason, Omni went bearish right here, and Omni knows nothing about this. It knows nothing about this. It would have no reason to have a bullish or bearish arrow, but coincidentally, right at that spot, the Omni gets bearish. That was 10 days ago. Let me blow this up for you. Bam, look what's happened, right? That was very nice so far. Heading down, the Omni was absolutely correct for calling it there. Now, look at the Russell 2000. you're seeing the opposite picture. Oscar, look, that's a bull flag. You broke out of the bull flag. What could be wrong with the Russell? You just told us the YM doesn't look good. But isn't that a good-looking chart? At first glance, you would think yes, but let's take a closer look at the very same chart. That is having trouble at its double top, kids. Top 1, top 2, and it's had nothing but trouble since it got there, and now I think it's going to show that it is a double top. So I think for Tuesday you're going to see a reaction to the double top in Russ. It coincides very well with that YM Dow chart I just showed you. Crude oil, what would make the YM and the Dow go down? Something like crude going up. This is bad juju for the stock market. That's where crude is now. We know that when it gets above this average, it usually makes the stock market go down while crude goes up. Bad juju for the stock market. And then at the same time, you've got this happening. This is bad juju for the stock market. Why? Because you are watching interest rates rise right before your very own eyes. The Fed does not have to raise the rates. The banks don't have to do anything. If the market drops, the futures drop, you are watching interest rates rise in real time. If interest rates are rising, which is the cost of money, and if transportation is rising, which is the cost of all the goods that we create, it is going to put pressure on the stock market, kids. And then you've got this. The Bloomberg Commodity Index, which is the measure of inflation, deflation, is not helping matters at all. It's all the way up here right now. Bad juju for the stock market as well. So far, short-term trading, we're not looking for big drops here. Short-term trading, we're in a big booming bull market, but nothing goes straight up. This is enough of a reason that I just showed you in this chart segment to give us a down day on Tuesday. But then there's this. Look at SpaceX. You gotta love it. Traders, we gave out a target for SpaceX to drop all the way down to 107 when it was at 160. It dropped all the way down and hit 107.01 exactly. From there, I told you, give me a week to come up with a new target. The next target I came up with was 162. Look at what's happening already. It's on its way to 162. So we're bullish SpaceX. And we're not bullish anything else at the moment, at least for trading on Tuesday. And then, of course, another good thing, SpaceX is a great thing. Look at the Omni Phoenix. Look how fantastic the lines are still in the proper direction. More traders keep coming in. As it drops, they buy out everything that traders are selling. Remember, you cannot sell short this token. You can only sell out what you own. So if it drops, we come in and buy it. And I've told you, I do not sell my token at all. All I do is buy it for my community. Every time you see one of these little smiley faces, that is me buying for the community. That's all I do, kids. Join me. We will take this thing up. I promise you, you don't see me on the sell side of this thing, right? We buy. Every time it goes down, I buy more. My Omniacs around the world do the same. And that's what makes us Omniacs a really different and rare community. Because as a whole together around the world, we come in and buy up any coins people don't want. And we are going to take this much, much higher. Get your Omni Phoenix. Get it now. Get it at Pump.fun. Get it at Coinbase. A Phantom wallet. Anywhere where you trade currency, you can probably trade the Omni Phoenix, with the exception of a couple of simple things I've learned over time. Imagine this. Of all places, in like the epicenter of money, New York City, you cannot get my Omni token. New Jersey, you cannot get my Omni token. And in the UK, you cannot get the Omni token, but you can't get anyone else's token there either. They're really strict on their rules. Everywhere else, you can do it. And by the way, these three places, if you have a Phantom wallet, it does not matter. You can still buy the Omni token. So make sure you buy Omni Phoenix, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.